Hey guys, you want to see something neat? So you take a yam like this, and it's uncooked, it's just cleaned, and then you slice it down into thin slices, and you get some flour with a little bit of garlic and onion powder, and you mix it up, and you dip each one in, and then let it drain off, and then you get yourself some of this Panko Crumbs, and you mix a little garlic and onion powder in with the Panko Crumbs, and you dip them, and then you get a pan, and you put a piece of parchment paper, and the oven set at 445, and you dip each piece. Make sure you poke a hole with your fork in each piece, and then you dip it in the Panko Crumbs and bake it, and they turned out delicious. I'll show you what I'm eating it with. Okay, so I made a batch of waffles, and here's what my plate looks like. Here we go. So, I'll take it to the natural light. So here, there's the waffles. I cut them up with some fresh strawberries that I had frozen. And there's the panko crumbed yams, and I bit into one just to show you what it looks like. They are delicious. Guys, try this out. It's a really easy, fast thing to do. And I baked them 15 minutes. All right, guys. Love you. See you on another video. Bye-bye.